Are you confused about Bitcoin? Wondering how it works? And why people call it digital gold? Don't worry. In this video, we'll break down Bitcoin in the simplest way possible. No technical jargon, just easy to understand facts. Let's dive in. Chapter 1. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a digital currency that was created in 2009 by an unknown person or group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Unlike traditional money, Bitcoin is not controlled by any government or bank. It's completely decentralized, meaning no single authority has power over it. Think of Bitcoin like the internet of money, borderless, secure, and available to anyone in the world. You can send and receive Bitcoin anytime, anywhere, without needing a bank. Chapter 2. How does Bitcoin work? Bitcoin runs on a technology called blockchain. Imagine a public notebook where every Bitcoin transaction is recorded permanently. This notebook is stored across thousands of computers worldwide, making it nearly impossible to hack or change. New transactions are added to this notebook in blocks, and once a block is full, it gets sealed and linked to the previous one, forming a chain. This is why it's called a blockchain. Chapter 3. Why is Bitcoin valuable? Bitcoin is valuable for several reasons. Limited supply. Unlike paper money, which governments can print endlessly, only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. This scarcity makes Bitcoin similar to gold. Decentralization. No government or central authority can control Bitcoin. This makes it resistant to inflation and censorship. Security. Bitcoin transactions are encrypted and recorded on the blockchain, making them extremely secure. Global use. Bitcoin can be sent anywhere in the world in minutes, with low fees compared to traditional banking systems. Chapter 4. How to get Bitcoin? There are a few ways to get Bitcoin. Buying it. You can purchase Bitcoin from cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Mining it. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex math problems and earn Bitcoin as a reward. Earning it. Some companies and freelancers accept Bitcoin as payment for goods and services. Chapter 5. Is Bitcoin safe? Bitcoin is very secure, but it's important to store it safely. The best way to do this is by using a wallet. Hot wallets, online wallets that are easy to use but vulnerable to hacking. Cold wallets, offline wallets, like hardware wallets that offer the highest level of security. Never share your private keys. If someone gets access to your private key, they can steal your Bitcoin. Chapter 6. The future of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has come a long way, from being worth just a few cents to over tens of thousands of dollars. Many believe it will continue to rise as more people adopt it. Governments, banks, and even big companies are starting to accept Bitcoin, which could push its value even higher. Could Bitcoin become the future of money? Some say yes, while others remain skeptical. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. And that's Bitcoin explained in simple terms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly crypto content. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.